I'm in a Lexus LC500. Next to me is a Lexus LFA. So this is Lexus's current most exciting car. That is its most exciting car ever. Now I've got a 5-litre naturally aspirated V8 with 480 horsepower. That has a 4.8 litre V10 with 560 horsepower. We're going to have a drag race just for fun to see what difference you get between hot Lexuses. So this one costs about £74,000. That was about £340,000 new, and it's now worth about 500. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Right, let's do this rather unusual race. We both struggle for traction there. That's gone. This sounds amazing. That sounds incredible. Destroyed.
So that was a clear victory for the LFA. In the greasy conditions, it did the standing quarter mile in 12.5 seconds, whereas it took the LC500 13.9 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, locked in third gear, in manual mode. Let's see what happens. I'll count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! No, it's gone! Pickup was very similar, but now, yeah, beaten. But then that weighs 1,600 kilos. This is 1,950 kilos. He had a weight advantage, and yeah, I've got a torque advantage. 540 Newton meters compared to 480 in that, but it was all about the weight. Now we're gonna have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cones, we're going to do a full emergency stop. I think what's going to happen is obvious. He's got carbon ceramic brakes, came standard on that car. I've got Steelies and a whole lot more weight. Do you know what? That was not as bad as I thought it would be. Maybe it's because it's an older car, maybe because his carbon ceramics weren't particularly warm. It's not bad, is it, really, considering this is a heavy car? It stopped pretty well, actually. Overall, though, it got thrashed. But then it's nowhere near as expensive as that thing.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.